Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing with Seedance 2.0 text to video, and maybe we'll do some image to video as well. I'm going to be showing you some really fun prompts that I've been playing with on the text to video side, and I'm going to show you how I made all these videos that you see on the screen right now. We'll go through it step by step. It's super easy. First things first, what is Seedance 2.0 Mini? It's a lower cost Seedance 2.0 model. So it's going to be faster, cheaper, because as you know, Seedance 2.0 is extremely expensive. So this mini version does promise to be a little bit cheaper. They claim it's going to be about half the credit cost. When I've been playing with it, it's been quite good. Just to give you a comparison to another model, I was using Happy Horse 1.1 in ComfyUI yesterday, and it's about half the cost. So we're going to be doing this in ComfyUI. Now, as always, I'm going to show you where the workflow is, but someone's going to comment, where's the workflow, bro? This is literally an API workflow that's only inside ComfyUI. I can't even distribute this if I wanted to. So you go to Browse Templates, make sure you set it to External or Remote API, sort by newest, and there you go. There's the text to video, and there's the reference to video as well. So let's get started. So here's one of those Omegle-style webcam side-by-side videos I just made right before this video started, just to make sure everything was functioning properly. So I'll show you this one. It's kind of fun.
Say anything random.
Ping pong ball. Wait, what?
So I think that looks pretty good. I mean, I'm not cherry picking or anything like that. I'm just going through some prompts that I felt were cool and just doing it live for you there. But there's a lot of things I like about this. The lighting looks really good. There was one moment here when the camera refocuses right there. That is really cool because she's about to move close to the camera, you know, in shock that he did this magic trick or whatever, right? And it's the camera readjusting. That's so realistic. I just love things that include details like that. I haven't done much content on Seedance at all just because it's so oversaturated. It's the most popular video model. But when I saw they released this lighter model that's half the credit cost, I had to jump in and try it. And as always, we're doing it inside ComfyUI because ComfyUI is just what I like to use. You can use this on a bunch of other websites if you want to, though. But it is available inside ComfyUI if you have credits in your balance, and then just go to this workflow like I showed you. Another one I wanted to show you is one that I was playing with before that should give a street scene of a vlogger kind of going through Japan. So this takes about 5 to 10 minutes to generate when I'm doing 11-second videos, and it costs about $2.50. So let's run this prompt, and then we will come back and do it again. And just while we're waiting for that to finish, I'll tell you about small0.io, which is my member site for my AI Influencer Club. I'll have all the prompts that I use today posted for free. All you have to do is make a free account, and then they'll be posted on there. If you want to support the Pro program, it's $9 a month, and you get access to more features, and it helps support this channel. But head over to small0.io, sign up, and head over to our Discord as well. It's a really cool community. All right, so our Japan trip prompt is done now. So let's just take a look at how this one is structured, just so you can kind of get an idea. And I mean, if you want to copy it from the screen, I don't care, but you can go to the website, it's there as well. So I did 11 seconds. It should have been 15. I just didn't want to pay for the full. You got the subject. You've got a timeline. It's probably going to cut out early because we only did an 11-second clip. So you can do a lot of structure. Like, you can really pick your shots and customize your scenes. I mean, there's nothing better than Seedance right now. So let's take a look at how our $2.50 generation went.
Okay, we're in Tokyo. It's so hot. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Wait, oh my god, he actually... We're in Tokyo.
Okay, wow. This is so good. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that you would expect from a reference image or image to video workflow. But the way it holds a consistent character and a consistent theme throughout, I mean, that's where breaking down the shots really helps, right? Because you get all those different cuts, and it kind of acts like a true vlog travel video. So that is really cool. I'm really impressed with that. I mean, this was the only thing I really noticed that was weird is, I guess it's not even that weird when I go back. I thought it was stabbing her tongue or something. Yeah, it looks a little weird right there. But I mean, this looks great. I mean, that lighting is crazy. Look at that. That's really cool. All right, let's try another one. What do we have next? All right, so this one is going to be the full 15 seconds. This one's going to cost us $3.42. This is going to be a makeup ad for some small zero lip gloss. So should be some Korean influencers, kind of like your classic beauty ad. Let's see how our most expensive generation turns out. All right, let's see how our small zero lip gloss turned out. So this is 15 seconds, cost us $3.40.
Wait, this one? Okay, wow. Small zero rules. Lumiere Sol Glass Glow Lip Elixir.
Okay, so that was not bad. The text, as you can see, is a little bit pretty cool, though. I think the creativity aspect of Seedance is so fun. And I mean, I don't think this is quite up to par with the full Seedance model or their 4K version that just came out. But I mean, it's really fun, and this is half the cost. I mean, I can't even imagine what a 4K 15-second Seedance video would normally cost. He'd probably be over $10 or so. Let's do one more, and then we could try out the image to video prompt and see how that goes. Let's try something a little more spicy. Let's see if we can get a lingerie UGC video. So this prompt is really small. I wanted to try something different and just see how it goes. Okay, I don't think it liked the word stockings. It blocked me. So let's try something else. Okay, that one worked. So I think stockings was a little bit too suggestive of a term. So let's see how this video turned out. I already don't like the Lululemon logo, but you know, it's trying hard. Let's see.
Guys, look what I found. I've heard so much about these Lululemon pants, so I had to try them on for you. They're the high-waisted ones, and the fabric feels amazing.
So really struggling with the reflection there. But again, I think that's because the prompt was so simple. So this is kind of looking like maybe WAN 2.2 to me, something like that. Maybe LTX 2.3 even, if I'm being honest. So I think you really need to have the detailed prompt to fully appreciate the quality of this. Let's try a detailed one that I was looking up in between here. So this should be a vlog style video clip. We'll do 15 seconds and I will generate that. Give me a sec. Okay, that finished. That took about 2.5 minutes.
Hey, I'm an AI virtual human. I don't have a name yet. After Seedance 2.0 came out, my boss stayed up all night playing with it. He's still sleeping now. So now I'll demonstrate everyone the entire image, sound, camera work, including my expressions and actions that you see now, all created by my boss with just one sentence. Hey, I'm an AI virtual...
Well, influencer, it wasn't quite one sentence, but thank you. All right, let's move over to the image to video. So this is one I made before, just with an AI influencer and some perfume. Which I think turned out really great. So let's try something else here. Let's see a different prompt. So let's test this out. We're going to try and input an influencer into the scene. Okay, so let's see if we can get her to hold this Head and Shoulders shampoo. So how I have the prompt here. So bedroom, neutral lighting. So young woman, there we go. Da, da, da. Okay, let's see how this works. We're going to do 10 seconds. I didn't mention this, but let's see if it includes it because she should be getting ready in the bathroom. So let's see if it includes that. And if it doesn't work, we'll try again and we'll specify something else. All right, let's see how it goes. It looks like the bottle is in her hand. This is not a high quality face reference, so you know the facial match isn't gonna be great, but let's see how it goes.
Guys, God, I just found the most amazing thing. This Head and Shoulders shampoo. Guys.
Wow. That's really cool. I didn't input the brand or anything like that. It actually has some image recognition and added that to the script on its own, which is a little concerning, but pretty cool that it did that. Anyways, that's what I wanted to show you today. I'll have a lot of these prompts on smallzero.io if you want to just check them out and follow along. Come join our Discord and hang out. We've got a really cool community. But other than that, have a great day.